how to use ChatGPT for YouTube videos. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for YouTube videos, to write a YouTube video description, to get the best YouTube ideas and more. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to openai.com and you will land on this website right here. OpenAI has ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an optimizing language model for dialogue. ChatGPT interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it easy and possible for ChatGPT to answer follow up questions, admit its mistake, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. With ChatGPT, we can write essays, books, blogs, codes, and we can even generate YouTube videos. And how we can use ChatGPT for YouTube videos, all of the different use cases I'll explain in this video. So let's get into it. First of all, you have to create an account on ChatGPT. You can create one for free, or you can also get one which is a ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month. I am using the free version, and you can see this is my main, dashboard. We have a new chat option here. So what I'm going to do is, for YouTube video, what do we need for a YouTube video? So first of all, when it comes to creating a video, we sometimes need a script, we need a title, we need a YouTube video idea. And once the video is created, then when it comes to uploading, we need a YouTube description, we need YouTube tags and hashtags. So that's what we need for a YouTube video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to ChatGPT and create a new chat. So first of all, I'm looking to create a video on, let's say, the topic AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask it to write YouTube video idea. So here we have our YouTube ideas for a video, and I wanted some best writing AI. That's like one thing I had in my mind. So it gave me some of the ideas. We have like 6 ideas. So it's showing me like the top 5 best writing tools that I can go for. Then I can go for how to use writing AI tools. Can writing AI tools replace human writers? And we have AI writing tools for content creators. In this video, you can focus on benefiting using AI tools for content creation and more. So I'm liking the 4th idea right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give ChatGPT a new command, which is going to be generate the video title for the 4th idea that it generated, and it will give me a title. So the title is revolutionize your content creation with these amazing AI tools. So now you can see on ChatGPT, because ChatGPT has this ability to actually read and remember our conversation. So I asked it to write the title for the 4th idea, which is this one right here. AI writing tools for content creators. So it gave me the title for the 4th idea. Now this is the title for my new YouTube video. So now what I need to do is I need to write a script for this, or I want to write an intro. So I'm going to go ahead and give it the command, write an intro for the video. There you go. And it will do that for me. So here I asked it to write an intro for the video. So this is the intro that ChatGPT gave me. You can see hello and welcome to our video on AI writing tools for content creators. So now it's an introduction paragraph. So now I can get started with writing a script. Now we can actually give it a time. I give the next command to ChatGPT, write a 4-minute script for a YouTube video for this title. So here we have a 4-minute script ready for us. We have an introduction again. This is the introduction. We have hello and welcome to our video, and then we have like, so let's get started and check out the different AI tools that we can go for. So here I have the body, and it gave me 5 tools, and then we actually have like 4 tools here, one for each minute kind of like, and then we have 4 tools, writing tools that we can go for according to ChatGPT. This is the script that I can go for. We even have a conclusion at the end. As you can see, there are many AI tools available, but you can use these, and this is the conclusion. So this is actually the script, but I wanted more in the script. I wanted to show the pros and cons for each tool. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do that for me. So I'm going to give the command, write pros and cons for each tool that is mentioned. And this is what ChatGPT did for me. It wrote pros and cons for each tool that it mentioned in the script. We have 4 tools, and you can see now I have pros and cons. So I will also mention these in the video, and it's going to be like a 4-minute video ready for me. I have pros and cons too. So after that, I wanted to, once the script is ready, this is how you can see we can write any kind of script with ChatGPT. Once this script is ready, you can ask ChatGPT to write a CTA for you. So I asked it to write a CTA for the video and also mention the affiliate link in the description. So this is what I wanted to do, and this is what I got. If you found this video helpful and want you to try one of these AI tools, you can actually check out the affiliate link in the description down below. So what are you waiting for? Click on the links and start your content creation. So this is pretty good CTA that also mentions the affiliate links that I have in the description. This is how you will write a whole script for your YouTube video. Now, all I need to do is just, maybe use an AI or myself to do the voiceover for this video, and the video will be ready. Once the YouTube script is done, your video is done. Now it's time to upload on YouTube. So if I upload a video on YouTube, let me take you to my, content, to my creator studio here. And you can see this is the video that I created with ChatGPT. This is the scripted video. Now we can of course add a title here. This is going to be the same title that we had. We can add the title in uploading too. So here I have the title. Moving on, we have description. So I have written in this video, I will show you. So I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT here and ask it to write a description for me. And this is our description. All I need to do is copy from here and paste it. Description was actually one of the things that I used to struggle with. It took me a lot of time. So you can see right here, now we have our description ready. So I have added it here. Moving on, I need some hashtags. So I'm going to get back here to ChatGPT and even ask it to write some hashtags for me. Write some hashtags for the video. Now we have the hashtags ready. All I need to do is copy, and I'm going to paste here in my description where I add the hashtags. Perfect. So now my description and tags are done. Moving on, we can upload the thumbnail here. In Show More, I can add tags too. So you can even add the tags here too. Write some SEO tags for the video and it will do that for you. So here I have a description that I wrote with ChatGPT. We have a title and a whole video that I created with ChatGPT. So similarly, I can actually now promote my video with ChatGPT too. I can ask it to write a promotional tweet about the video. So here we have our promotional tweet. Struggling with content creation, check out our latest video, and it also mentions the different tools that ChatGPT had. So now I can write maybe Facebook ads with this one too, promotional tweets, and promote my video. This is how we use ChatGPT for our YouTube videos. From creating a video to uploading on YouTube, ChatGPT will help me with everything. Now you can see in few minutes I got an idea. Then after the idea, I generated the title for the video. After the title, we wrote a script. In script, I did some changes. I wrote some pros and cons. Once the script was ready, I created the video. After that, when it came to uploading, even in creating the video, I went for a CTA that also mentioned my affiliate links. Then once it was done, we went with a video description. We wrote hashtags for the video and even some promotional tweets. This is how you use ChatGPT for a YouTube video. It will help you with everything. You will be able to generate SEO-friendly titles and ideas for your next YouTube videos and save a lot of time. There's no writer needed, no script writer needed for YouTube videos, no a person to do the SEO for you. ChatGPT got you covered in everything, and now you know how to use ChatGPT for YouTube videos. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.